Next, the important thing here, the very, very important thing called comments. Comments kind of stuff we need to handle it. Okay. See here, if I go to incident, say new, or let's go it. I don't need to go new. Let's go to all. Okay. I will be opening one of the incident. For example, INC 00001. This is the incident which is created. Okay. And next, it is assigned to someone. For example, is it assigned to someone? And he wanted to give some notes here, work notes. Comments he wanted to give. Comments means who had opened this incident, who is working on it, and if he is unable to resolve it, he need to comment it out. We need to track it, whoever is commenting. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, here you will get understand easily in our form. Okay, where is our form? You will get understand just to give me 2 minutes. I'm just saying new. Say new. Type, I'm selecting journal. Okay, there is 3 options named with journal, journal, journal input, journal list. Okay, first we will see journal. Okay, I am just giving us comment. Maximum that you don't need to give anything and submit it. Okay, now go to your form. Go to your form. Is it created? Comments. Comment is created. Let's go to configure layout for your better understanding. Comments. And keeping after email ID. Save it. Okay. This is the comment one. Okay. Maybe we will be creating it. Okay. Let's submit it. Or for now, give something. Checking the field. Okay. Of comments. I'm just commenting something. Submit it. Okay. Where I can see the list of records which are created for this table. So I had created one record. How can I see related to this particular table records? Where I can see. Hmm?
List.
On the list view. Go there. Dot list. Okay. Just now we had created. I think this 26. Okay. You see here what is happening. Okay. In the comment section, okay, below the comment, there is a comment section is added. Okay. The time it is added, who is commented, it is added. What is commented, it is added. Okay. Now again, I will do one thing. Again, updating it. Because, for example, it is not valid record. Something I'm updating on. What I'm updating, you don't look into, but you observe this part, how it is taking. Okay, update it. 001. Sure, 26. Come here. How it is tracking, by the way? How it is tracking this part?
Yeah. Every update should be told.
It will be
Latest time
updating.
interval is keeping.
It takes time interval along with who is updated, right? And what it is updated. Okay, in the real time, what will happen whenever people are using it? Okay, whenever the support team, the other people will be using it, right? Related to this particular issue, for example, okay, what are they working on? Okay, currently, and is there any issues? They will note down the notes here. It's kind of comments. This is how you will take it if it is needed. Okay. If the requirement comes, we need to track the work notes or the comments. Then what is the field you will be creating? What is the field?
Journal.
Journal field you will be creating. With help of the journal field, you will be creating it and do it. For example, the other guy, okay, the other guy wanted to create it or comment something. Yes, he can do it. You can do it, you can comment it, then it will come as a date and who is updated by those name it gives you. And next, the comment, whatever it is updating, that it gives you. That's it. That is how journal works. Okay. Journal is the best option to track the comments or the notes. Okay. There is field called, okay, other fields also. Journal input and journal list. The other fields also there, other column types. But in the real time, you will be using this one. Okay. The combination of this, you will be using this. Okay. These two things also does the same thing. This, this kind of things. It does also same thing. Okay. If you want, I will be creating it. You just give me 2 minutes. Okay. I'm creating one more field. You just focus on senior. Here I select journal input. Okay. Journal input. I'm selecting it. Check input. Something I'm giving for your understanding. Check input and then save it. Okay. Now I will go to our form. Where is the form? Refresh it. Why are these? I will go to form layout and move the fields above. Check input. Save it. Okay. Check input. Check input. Comment is type of what? Journal. Check input is journal input. Okay. I am entering something. I am checking the journal input. Okay. Let's save it or update it. Okay. Right. If I update it, goes somewhere. Very good. Now go to our list. Where are the list? Now? Let's close this. Close this. Very good. Table name dot list. Okay, this is the one, right? We are updating this part. Okay. Do you see any notes which is updated? I had given something here. Check in the check input. Do you see
No.
anyone? No, right? Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll go to my list view. Okay. Do you see here these fields? Check check input and comments. Do you see here the columns? Do you see more? How can I add the columns, whatever I need on my from my table in the list view? In the list view, I can add the columns here. I'm unable to see these columns. Check input and comment. How can I add it?
Go to the personalized list area.
Settings. Then whatever not required, I am removing it. Email ID and all. Double click on, and whatever you need will drag aside. What we need now? Check input. Next, comments are comment. Okay, so observe it. See now. Do you see the check input related data here or not?
Yes.
But there it is showing. Is that
Showing
showing?
only list view.
Mhm. Only it is showing
Showing only list.
whatever you are giving the input for journal input type. It is not showing here on the form. Correct? Huh? Okay. Now you just wait for 2 minutes or 1 minute. I say new. You observe it. What is happening? Okay. The column type, this time I'm selecting journal list. Okay. Check list. Okay. For your better understanding, I'm giving you column names. You can give as per your requirement in the real time. Okay. Save it. For now, you save it. Don't do it. Okay. Save it. Then go to advanced view. Okay. Then go to dependent value. Use dependent value, dependent field. Here I need to select the input related field. What is the field name? Check input. What it was? Check input. Okay. And save it. Update it. Go to our form. Okay. Where is the form? Here. Refresh it. Okay. There are two more fields. Okay. The field is here, I guess. So configure form layout. And this I will move up. See. So checklist. Up. So now do you see? Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, the name of the column, whatever we had given, do you see that? The list, journal list we had given. Do you see that here? Instead of that, you are seeing this directly. Check input related. Okay, If I wanted to update something, I will update it. I am updating it after adding or creating the journal list. Now, do you see the same functionality, whatever it is there, the same functionality it is taking now or not? But when it is taking, how it is taking? Tell me, ma. This also similar, na? Journal also similar. Okay. Journal input, whenever I am adding it, only one field I am able to see here. But on the form level, I am unable to see. To show whatever I'm adding or updating here, to track them, I have added one more field called journal list.